Hi everyone! So, samahan niyo ako na i-assemble itong course book. So, this is the new look of our Papers to Profits course book. So, pinag-isa ko na lang din ito before kasi tatlong books ito. Ayan yung itsura niyan. So, we have yung guidebook on starting your paper products business, tapos guidebook on product creation, and then guidebook on launching your paper products. So, tatlo pang guidebooks yung tinitingnan ng mga estudyante. Now, we've decided na gawin na lang siya na isang course book. So, itong tatlong books na nandito na yan lahat sa course book natin. And itong course book pa lang, very comprehensive na to. Wala kayong makikita nito in the market because exclusive lang ito na marireceive ng mga students ng Papers to Profit. So, samahan niyo ako na i-assemble yung ating bagong course book. Alright, so tapos na tayo i-assemble itong ating Papers to Profits course book. So, yan ang itsura niya ngayon. This is the new look of our course book. At alam niyo ba na hindi lang to basta-basta course book dahil ang dami niyo talagang matututunan dito. Course book pa lang, busog na sa learning. At ginawa talaga natin itong course book na to having in mind yung mga mommy, stay-at-home moms, mga homeschooling moms, and even the aspiring entrepreneurs na who would like to set up their home-based printing business. So, dito pa lang, ang dami nyo nang matututunan. But this is only exclusive para sa mga students ng Papers to Profits course. So, thank you sa pagsama sa akin. Bye, everyone!